Hello everyone, my name is Shravani. I'm from Vishnu Institute of Technology. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an amazing Telegram bot built using Node.js and Node Telegram bot API library. This bot responds to different user commands. It sends images, shares locations, and even has a custom keyboard for users to interact with. I'll show you the code step by step and explain how everything works. First, we need to import the Node Telegram bot API library. This library allows us to interact with the Telegram bot API, making it easy to send messages, pictures, etc. Here we define a constant called Telegram bot. This holds the library. Then we initialize our bot by passing the unique bot token, which we got from Telegram bot father. This token authenticates our bot, and now let's look at how we handle incoming messages. The board.on message method listens for any incoming messages. Whenever a user sends a message, the bot will trigger this function and we can check the content of the message. In this example, we are checking if the message starts with the word hi. If it does, the bot replies with hello dear user. And here we are using two lowercase to make the case insensitive. And next we have two additional conditions. If the user says hello, the bot greets them with the first name, and if the user says bye, the bot sends a message saying hope to see you around again. Now let's look at the future where the bot teaches text formatting in Telegram. If the user sends font style, the bot responds with the example of formatting options. This part of the code is uses HTML tags to show different text styles. We use the pass mode HTML option to tell Telegram that we are sending HTML formatted text. The bot sends examples of bold, italic, and even inline links. And now let's see about here. See, the bot can send images. If the user types send pic, the bot will send a picture along with a caption. And yeah, we use on text method with a regular expression to listen for the send pic command. Now, another feature is the custom keyboard. When a user sends start command, the bot sends a custom keyboard with options like 1, 2, 3, 4. The reply markup object here allows us to customize how the bot interacts with the user. And this keyboard array defines options and resize keyboard true. This is set. It ensures that keyboard fits the screen. And once the user selects an option, the bot responds with the corresponding message. You can see it here. If the user chooses option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, which will respond with the different names of the fruits here. Lastly, the bot can send a location. If the user types location, the bot will send a fixed location with a message. This sends a specific latitude, longitude, which could be useful for sharing or sharing a venue, etc. So we have covered how to create a Telegram bot using Node.js and the Node Telegram bot API. And now let us see how the Telegram bot can fetch movie details using the OMDB API. With this bot, users can send the name of a movie, and the bot will respond with the details like movie's title, release date, actors, rating, etc. At the start, we need to import the necessary libraries for the bot to work. We are using the Node Telegram bot API library to interact with the Telegram bot API, and we also need request, which is a library used to make HTTP requests. Here we define the Telegram bot library, get our bot's unique token, and we also import the request library to send HTTP requests to OMDB API. Let, let us see how we handle user input. The bot listens for any incoming messages using bot.on as we have already discussed. Whenever a user sends a message, the bot gets triggered here. This function gets executed every time the bot receives a message, and the parameter mg represents message object as you already know. And once the bot gets the movie name, it sends a request to the OMDB API to fetch movie details. The request URL is constructed by appending the movie title, which is the user's message, to the OMDB API endpoint. The request function sends a get request to the OMDB API with the movie name. The user sent we append the movie name to t equals to parameter in the URL, and the API key is a unique key. And after the request is sent, the API responds with the movie details in JSON format. We pass this response to extract relevant information like the movie title, release date, actors, ratings, etc. And we check if the API response contains a successful result by verifying the response is equals to true. If it is successful, we send the movie's details back to the user and we send the title, etc. But what if the movie isn't found? In this case, we need to send an error message back to the users. For this, I have give movie not found message. This is a simple way to handle errors. And so I have built a Telegram bot that fetches movie details using the MDB API. Whenever a user sends the name of a movie, the bot makes a HTTP request and then sends the relevant movie details. And let us see how this works with an example. Yes, when we give the movie name RRR, here we are getting the details of the movie. And in this way, if we give any other movie names, for example, yeah, we get the details, and that's it. That's it for the video, and I hope you find this explanation helpful. Thank you.